going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today, Michael wants to pump some more Hearst Purr and some more Turk in his, I almost said Rammer, in his Dirty Max over here. So today, you guys remember Michael's Dirty Max. It is a 17 L5P, and today he is doing the idashes. We're doing 3. He got 3 idashes, and he got the Derringer. So we're going to right now scan the directions. Gotta give that to Michael. There you go, Michael. Or scan on your phone. Just go to that website. And we're gonna start this install right here because, well, Michael wants to pump some more ponies in his puppy, and he wants to keep it, you know, somewhat legal. So it's stock exhaust. This thing is bone stock. He does not have anything done to it besides, you know, some rims and tires. Other than that, stock. Oh, and we are putting Michael's new race radio in here because he right now has a handheld. And the problem that we're having with the handheld is when we sort of get far, or we're going up the grades, or we go around a mountain, the handheld sort of dies. He can hear me, but I can't hear him. And, well, my radio puts out 75 watts, and the little handhelds put out 5 watts. So there's your problem. So once Michael has picked up the Yaesu FT2980. This is an 80-watt radio, and this thing is awesome. I'm probably going to switch and put one of these in my trucks too. But we're going to do that install also for you guys today. But big shout out to Banks for sending the Derringer and the iDashes. And no, guys, it's not sponsored. Michael had to pay for this full pop. Yeah, this is not, you guys were, oh, you're Banks. No, guys, we're Banks because I like Banks because they're true, tested. I know the product works. They've been around for a while. They're not new. You know, I'm comfortable with them.
Banks on my 08.
Yeah, he had Banks on his 08. Still has. I mean, it's awesome. So we are just going with Banks because, you know, we know they're true, tested, and they work. So let's get this install going here. We'll get under the hood. Yeah, we got to get the heaters going over here. It's a little nippleish. What happened?
Banks doesn't do anything for power stroke?
I think
Cummins and Duramax. That's only 2 different jobs.
No, they're starting. You know what? I don't know. They might be. A lot of you guys were asking me for the Cummins and the Ford. I'm not sure. The best thing is call Banks, guys. I know they are working on the Cummins, I believe, the Derringer for the Cummins. So you guys will be able to do it. And I will say, and I will admit, these freaking L5Ps haul butt. Actually, excuse my language. They haul. And yeah, this is going to be the first time me driving it. I mean, I don't really want to test it out in the rain. We got some rain in California. I don't know what the hell that's all that's about. But my dad's, as you guys know, is a 10-speed. This will be the first time me trying the Derringer with a 6-speed. So, and these things are fast as is. So let's get this install going. Okay, guys, so where the Derringer is going to plug in is right here. One sensor there and one sensor here. It's very simple. All you're doing is unplugging the factory sensors and plugging Banks sensors in place of that, and then you're plugging the Banks sensors into the OEM sensors, which I know sounds confusing, but you can't mess it up because they got male and female on here, so you can't really, you know, plug one into the wrong one. This is I want to say 16 pin, and that's only a 8 pin or 4 pin connector, so you can't really do that. Now, you can route it whatever way you want. In the directions they want you to route it coming through here. I personally like to route it in the firewall, tuck it in there so you can't see it. It just looks a lot cleaner. And see, we're going to tuck all of this in here, go in here, and then we're going to, this is all just extra, and we're going to, we're going to unplug this and reroute it under here. And then I will put the Derringer, this part, just zip tie it somewhere here right on the firewall. And that way when you open the hood, you don't see any wiring or anything coming through here. And then this right here is for Michael's radio. So we're going to put this right to the battery. This is just some wire loom you can pick up, you know, anywhere you can get this stuff. We're going to put this right to the battery, mount this here, and then we just ran it right into here. And then here's right here. This is the one for the radio. Now this is going to be for the Banks iDash. The problem is Michael's paint did not come in time, so all of these come black. We did get some paint, you can see right over here, but it does not match and does not look too well. So we got the color code to make it perfect because I don't really know what color that interior is. I don't know, it looks gray, looks blue, looks, I don't know what color you guys want to call that, but it didn't match. So we're gonna repaint that. So for now, we're only gonna do one idash until that paint comes in and we can redo it. But at least the Derringer will be set up, done, and complete. Okay guys, so our luck, Michael just made it, found some paint. This looks almost identical to that inside. So we're going to let this thing paint it, let it dry, put a couple more coats on it, and once we can actually grab it, we're gonna match up. But this looks pretty damn close than this color right here. We thought it was gonna be this like camo color. It's not. So I think this is it, but we're gonna stay tuned and find out. But Derringer is done and installed. So now Michael is trying to figure out where to put his radio. So this radio is a big radio. Yeah, this is a big radio. I'm not sure where we're gonna mount this bad boy right here. There it is, guys. Check it out. Look at that. That color is literally a perfect match. I'll show you the can, what we got will match perfect, but that's it. Those are all. Let me turn the light down. And now Michael's gonna set them how he wants each idash up. He can change how many gauges he wants and up to, I believe, 4 to 5 pages on here. And he can set the Derringer now on here, what level he wants, 1 through 6, I believe there is. So this is all done. I gotta say it looks good. And how we ran it, and this is how they want it in the directions, is running through the door. That's how they say. That's how I ran it, on my dad's truck. And the directions just says come through the door, not through there. So I don't know. It's been like this. It's up to you guys. Michael just said, yeah, run it through the door. My truck, personally, I would go through the firewall in here. So there's nothing coming in the door, but he just wanted it like that. So not my truck, his decision. And then this, we're going to wrap this under here, and this is going to plug right into here for Michael's radio. He wants to put his radio right here. Okay, truck is complete, guys. Okay, hold on, we gotta adjust the seat. Michael over here like sits in the back seat over here. Okay, all right, you can tell, and I'll show you the spray can, the color is like dead on. So what we've set up for Michael's boost, top one, we got vane position of the turbo, the gear, what gear it's in. So you'll see if I put it into drive. We got this door open, it tells me. So close this up. And that little lock tells you if the torque converter is locked, unlocked. Vane position now, you can see, has moved up to 89. Load is 15%. Manifold air density, I like that because that will be able to tell me if the Derringer is really working. So if we go to the stock level here, right here, this manifold air density at full wide open throttle, call it 200. And if I go to level 6, that manifold air density should go higher, 250, 220, 200, 270, whatever it is, it should go higher, letting you know that, okay, it's true, you're making more power. Now we have the EGTs, we have the inlet air temp, what's coming in, we have the coolant temperature, rail pressure, and fuel rail commanded pressure, and then we have his DEF fluid level, oops, and we're trying to get a percentage, not okay. We're trying to get the soot load. It's 32%, regen's off, and we are in stock mode right now. And guys, you got to remember one thing. So this system, it's not like you're getting massive crazy horsepower. You're only getting, I think, I want to say 60 or 70 horsepower on level 6. It's not a huge, jump. This, if you guys want a 50 state legal tune that is conservative and is not going to
void your warranty.
Yeah, like void warranty and give you 200 horsepower and destroy your transmission, then the Banks Derringer is the way to go. And if you're wondering, guys, the paint, this is it. What is it called? The color, turn it, turn it, turn it, turn it, turn it, keep turning, nothing.
No, it's
Doesn't say. It's like a medium gray. I think I have a number. What does it say? Satin stone gray. Okay, all right, good enough. Okay guys, so I wanted to show it to you completed, what it looks like in the daytime. And check this thing out, guys. This thing is awesome. All right, bam, and look at that. That color is literally dead on. So all of this stuff now, guys, you can get from Banks. All that Michael purchased this from Banks. All the idashes from Banks, the Derringer, everything. He did not get outsourced it or anywhere. Mine on my Ram, I had to get mine, I forgot what website, I put in a link, but I had to modify it, so it's a kind of a pain. If you guys got a 17 through 19 Duramax, this is going to work perfectly for you. You do not have to, you know, modify or do anything. Now, one thing I'm curious on, just for my own knowledge, because I've never had a truck, any of these trucks with def. Mine always happen to, I don't know, go missing, I'm not sure, but I've always wanted to know when the regen starts. So you see here, we set up the regen. Right now it's currently off, and the DPF soot load percentage. Now, I have heard when these things get to 68% of soot load, they start the regen. So it's at 67. So I told Michael, keep an eye on this and let me know, you know, when this actually starts to regen, and if it regens while you're driving, while you're idling. Just keep an eye out on this, just for our own knowledge to see. But there you have it, guys, for that install. It's a very, very simple install. If you guys need any help or have any questions, you can DM me at my Instagram, at Eddie's Life, and I'll try to help you guys. But I mean, like you saw in the video, it's literally plug and play. You can't mess it up. It's only one way. It's simple. But thank you guys for watching this video. That's all I got for you guys. If you guys like this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, don't forget to click subscribe. Peace.
Yeah.